Aloha talofa and yarana, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanani Lokelani Angel Kahanui Asuega, and I'm your favorite Polynesian dancer here on YouTube. And today is another follow along video. Today's video is going to be much slower. We're working on more graceful and softer movement. You can take this one as a cool down or as a warm up. You can take this one as a warm up and then move on to the more intensified follow along, which is the one I posted before this one. So again, this is a cut up version of the class that I taught to my own Pupu Ori. And so it's not professional, it's not edited crazy, but the point of the video is for you to dance and have some reference and have some drills to follow along and just get that sweat in, or work and enhance your skills. However way you decide to intensify the drills or not is up to you, and it's totally cool. If you make a decision on how you want to approach the workout, what you want from it at the end of the day, then it makes the whole workout seem less stressful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to press subscribe and to click the bell for notifications, like and share and comment and anything you need. I'm super here for you. I'm trying my best to get everything out, getting a better hang of it. I feel like I had 2 videos last month and we have already won this one, so that's super cool. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up. Just go and dance. With our hips. So your technique is so important. Make sure you're on yourself, you're very aware of your body, all right? I want to make sure you have very tall feet in the back. Tall feet, right? So if I hura, push onto the tip of my toe and have a full foot versus something like this, right? We're going to push, push, push. Okay, also in your hura, engage your core right here, right? Don't have anything lazy here. You have to pull your posture up, pick your back straight, tighten your stomach, and keep your butt up. Push here, 2, 3, 4. Remember, your hura is in your core, in your hips and your stomach, not here, all right? So I don't want any of this. Here, okay? You're gonna sit. You can have small kind separation, nothing too big. I always like to say like 2 fingers, about 2 fingers apart, and you're gonna sit. Keep your knees going forward, not out. So don't have anything like this. Keep it forward. Push, push, push. As you push out, you want to push up. So you're going to push out, up, out, up, out, up. You're going to go out, up, out, up, out, up, like that, right? Versus something more like less risen, if that makes sense. I want to push it up, up, up. right, that was your follow along video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was peaceful and a nice little cool down, or something more simple and more repetitive to practice that technique. Thank you for watching this video. I love you all. Don't forget to love yourself, stay home, stay safe, and keep moving, keep dancing. All right, bye.